In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recall an email in Microsoft Outlook Desktop as well as the new Outlook app. Whether you've accidentally sent an email too soon or regret sending it altogether, knowing how to recall it can save you from potential slip-ups. Let's dive into how you can do this easily on both platforms. To start, let's navigate the steps for the new Microsoft Outlook Desktop. Open the application and look towards the top left corner of your screen. Here, you'll find the option to create a new email. Go ahead, click it. This will open up a fresh email window where you need to enter a few important details. First, add your recipient's email address. Next, fill in a subject line to let them know what your email is about. Once you've done that, type out the content of your message. After your email is crafted to your satisfaction, find the send button and click it to dispatch your email. Sometimes we hit send only to realize moments later that we forgot an attachment, made a typo, or sent it to the wrong person. No worries, there's a way to save the day. In both the desktop version and the new Outlook app, you can recall an email with ease. Once you've sent an email, immediately glance at the bottom of your screen. Here, a message prompt will appear briefly. This prompt includes a small window of opportunity to undo your send. Clicking this undo option effectively recalls your email, ensuring it doesn't reach the recipient. Keep in mind, this ability to undo or recall an email is contingent upon acting quickly. The undo option only appears for a short period after you hit send. So, it's crucial to act promptly to successfully recall the email. Beyond that, always be sure to double check your email before sending. Checking for correct recipients, a complete message, and all necessary attachments can help you avoid needing to recall an email in the first place. While this feature works reliably within the environments of Outlook Desktop and the new app, it's important to note that this functionality does not extend to recipients outside your organization if your organization doesn't support it. So, ensure you're familiar with your specific email environment's capabilities. In summary, though mistakes are part of being human, recalling emails in Microsoft Outlook Desktop or the new Outlook app is a simple process that can rescue you from potential errors. Remember, quick action is key, along with vigilance in drafting your emails. Thanks for tuning into this guide, and I hope this information helps make your emailing experience smoother and more efficient. Until next time, happy emailing.